సో గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో నా పేరు మానస. సో ఈరోజు మనం కెమిస్ట్రీ బేసిక్ టాపిక్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద కెమిస్ట్రీ బేసిక్ టాపిక్స్? సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద కెమిస్ట్రీ బేసిక్ టాపిక్స్? మ్యాటర్, ఆటమ్, మాలిక్యూల్, ఎలిమెంట్, కాంపౌండ్ అండ్ మిక్చర్. So first we are going to discuss about what is mean by matter. So what is mean by matter? So anything it has mass and occupies some space is called as a matter. For example, beta, this chair occupies some space, this bag occupies some space. So what is mean by matter? Anything it has mass and occupies some space is called as a matter. Mass and occupy some space is called as a matter. So next, what is mean by atom? So what is mean by atom? So atom is the smallest particle of matter. Atom is a smallest particle of matter. For example, ఇది మ్యాటర్ అనుకోండి, ఈ మ్యాటర్లో ఉండే స్మాలెస్ట్ పార్టికల్ని మనం ఇక్కడ ఏమంటాం? ఆటమ్ అంటాం. ఏమంటాం బేటా? Atom. What are the examples of atom? Hydrogen atom, chlorine atom, bromine atom, iodine atom. We are taking lot of examples of atom. So what is mean by atom? Atom is a smallest particle of matter. So what are the examples of atom? Hydrogen, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So this is a atom. Next, what is mean by molecule? What is mean by molecule? So two or more atoms are combined together. Two or more atoms are combined together to form a molecule. For example, hydrogen is one atom and hydrogen is one atom. So two or more atoms are combined together to form a molecule. H plus H, H2. This is one atom and this is one atom. For example, Cl plus Cl, Cl2. So this is a one atom and this is a one atom. So two or more atoms are combined together to form a molecule. To form a molecule అంటే రెండు ఆటమ్స్ కలిస్తే మనం ఏమంటాం ఇక్కడ? మాలిక్యూల్. ఆటమ్ మీన్స్ ఆటమ్ is a smallest particle. Atom is a smallest particle. Next, element. So what is mean by element? So element is a pure substance. Element is a pure substance which cannot be divided by any other substance. అంటే ఎలిమెంట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ప్యూర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ విచ్ కెనాట్ బి డివైడెడ్ బై ఎనీ అదర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్. అంటే ఏ సబ్స్టెన్స్ తోటి అది డివైడ్ కాదు. దే ఆర్ కంటైన్ సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్. ఎలిమెంట్ ఆర్ కంటైన్ సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఆటమ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, in periodic table, how many elements are present in periodic table? 118 elements are present in periodic table. So what are the examples of elements? We are taking lot of example. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. So these are the examples of element. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Yes or no? So what is mean by element? Element is a pure substance which cannot be divided by any other substance. So hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, 118 elements are present in periodic table. So what is mean by compound? So what is mean by compound? So two or more elements are combined together to form a compound. Two or more elements are combined together to form a compound. So two or more elements are combined together to form a compound. For example, I will take hydrogen is one element. Okay. Next, chlorine is one element. So chlorine is one element. Hydrogen is one element and chlorine is one element. So two or more elements are combined together to form a compound. So two or more elements are combined together to form a compound. So HCl is a compound. HCl is a compound. So two or more elements are combined together to form a compound. So two or more elements are combined together to form a compound. So HCl is a compound. H2O is a compound. So hydrogen is one element and oxygen is one element. hydrogen is one element and chlorine is one element. Yes or no? So two or more elements are combined together to form a compound. Next, mixture. So what is mean by mixture? For example, నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఒకటి వాటర్ సొల్యూషన్ తీసుకుంటున్నా, ఇంకొక దాంట్లో ఏంటంటే సాల్ట్ వాటర్ సొల్యూషన్ తీసుకుంటున్నా. ఇది ప్యూర్ వాటర్, ఇదేంటి సాల్ట్ వాటర్. విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ ప్యూర్ సొల్యూషన్, విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ ఇంప్యూర్ సొల్యూషన్? దిస్ ఈజ్ అ ప్యూర్ సొల్యూషన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ ఇంప్యూర్ సొల్యూషన్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో బెటా? సో వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై మిక్చర్? మిక్చర్ అంటే ఏంటి? కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ టూ ఆర్ మోర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ప్యూర్. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసినాం, వాటర్లో మనం సాల్ట్ వేసినాం అంటే ఇదేంటి ఇక్కడ మిక్చర్ కదా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై మిక్చర్? Mixture is an impure substance. Mixture is an impure substance. So mixture can be classified into two types. Mixture can be classified into how many types? Two types. One is homogeneous mixture, the other one is heterogeneous mixture. This is a homogeneous mixture, the other one is this is a heterogeneous mixture. So what is mean by homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture means a uniform composition. A uniform composition throughout the mixture is called as a homogeneous mixture. A uniform composition throughout the mixture is called as a homogeneous mixture. It can be dissolved in any liquid solution. It can be dissolved in any liquid solution. So it is called as a homogeneous mixture. So for example, homogeneous mixture example, salt water. Salt is dissolved in water solution, yes or no? Sugar water. Sugar is dissolved in water solution. So salt water and sugar water. A uniform composition throughout the mixture is called as a homogeneous. So examples of homogeneous mixture, salt water and sugar water. Why? Because it can be dissolved in any liquid. Homo means same. Hetero means different. So homogeneous mixture means a uniform composition throughout the mixture is called as a homogeneous mixture. So example, salt water and sugar water. So salt is dissolved in water solution, sugar also dissolved in water solution. Next, heterogeneous mixture. So what is mean by hetero? Hetero means different, homo means same, hetero means different. So homo means same, hetero means different. For example, this is a water solution. I will take sand water. So sand is dissolved in water solution? No. So two layers will be formed, yes or no? Heterogeneous mixture means it is not uniform composition throughout the mixture. It is not uniform composition throughout the mixture is called as a heterogeneous mixture. Example of heterogeneous mixture, sand water. It cannot be dissolved in any liquid solution. So it is called as a heterogeneous mixture. So example, sand water. So sand is dissolved in water solution? No. Oil in water? Oil is dissolved in water solution? No. So this is the examples of heterogeneous mixture. So what are the examples? Sand water. Next, oil in water. So this is the examples of heterogeneous mixture. So this is the basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఫిజికల్ కెమిస్ట్రీ టాపిక్ అయిన కెమికల్ కైనెటిక్స్ గురించి వివరంగా తెలుసుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.